Hey YouTube, just watching little white chipmunks. She's on a stream. I've been busy taking dishwashers apart this morning. I had a video done earlier, but you couldn't see what I was doing, so maybe this time you can. This is the last microwave. She's a big one. That's sheet aluminum. I was fairly successful with some of the microwaves being copper, the transformers. See, nice heavy copper, it pays good. One transformer was complete and two were half and half. I got no problem with that. So this is number one, was complete aluminum. So we'll see what this guy is. This is a heavy beast. Holy moly. Timber. Gonna fall on the area. I don't need that to happen. So anyways, that's the plan. Hopefully you can see everything alright this time. I tried to hook this. It has a Wi-Fi connection for your phone, but for some reason I can't get it to work. It was hooked up to one of our Samsungs at one time. Samsung 7, Samsung. I didn't try the other one, the 10. I tried my new Samsung S21, but it just didn't want to hook up, so I did it with the QR code and all that crap. So I have her turned down a bit, but I am keeping an eye. Oh, she's got a few other people up there, which is good. Oh, come here. Oh, one turntable motor. Sometimes these have two, because one, I guess, does the blowing, depending on the age of the model. Oh, look at that, sneaky buggers. They put a bolt here. This is under the transformer. It's got those two screws, but it's got this one hidden from the bottom. There. Otherwise it won't come out. I'll be tugging away, tugging away, tugging away. What? You dirty rat. So, get a little more light on the subject here. There we go. So puppy's in the house. My youngest is home from work, so he's entertaining puppy. Come on. He's got a little dirt in the screw head, that's why. Yeah, those aren't all the screws, I don't think. No, I better take the motor out while I have you here. One little copper motor, yeah. I like those. I have yet to find those aluminum. They're always copper. And now that I spoke, I just jinxed it. Yeah, the weather's a little nicer. We're at about 34 Fahrenheit outside, which is screw holding it yet? Nope. Oh, I knew I had to take one out yet. There, otherwise the plug don't come out. Voila. Yeah, I never try to put them back on. Fold them up. They produce nice weight in the trailer just on their own, these doors, or the panels. Okay. What do we got here? There's a fan, should come right out, yep. Look at the copper on that fan. Hopefully you're seeing this. Like I said, I did a video earlier today and I deleted it because you couldn't see anything that I was doing. And that's not a very good video, so hopefully I have you angled right. I just want to start getting to use this GoPro a little more. Maybe I'll start using it this spring and summer on curbside too. Now that I know a little bit of editing. I didn't realize that I had to get rid of videos on my computer too at the beginning there, because I would upload and it would say cannot work. What? Turned out I had too much on my computer. Well, I don't know all this stuff and nobody tells you all this stuff. We sit here. Okay, we don't need you falling off. We'll set you here for now. You have to be done. Okay, this plastic panel's off. They can go with the plastic goodies. See my curtains? When I get a west wind blowing out, that door radiates so much. This is slowing it down. Yep. I put the word out to a couple buddies and they're going to keep an eye out for a furnace for this garage. I'm going to do away with the wood stove, as you all knew. It's costing me too much to heat because I don't have a bush to dig wood out of. Like some people have that fortunate. But I also don't have the back to handle that kind of work anymore, so I really shouldn't be in the bush. And I don't have my log splitter anymore. I sold all that. And yeah, I know I got a couple boys, they could help, but they're not always available, so. But like I said, I don't have a bush to go into anymore. Our old farm, I had a 12-acre bush lot where I could get lots of wood from, so that was not an issue. And plus my wife's uncle, he had a bush lot too. Pretty much his whole farm was wood, and we were allowed to go over there and cut because he had it logged, and that made life so easy, especially when you have the bush logged. So, oh my, that woman's got a loud voice. It's a woman from the UK. They all seem to be. She's higher pitched. I think I'm going to mute the stream or shut it off, either one. There, I muted it. If you don't have her, the channel is called White Chipmunks. She's another Canadian. Not saying that's good or bad, just that's where she's from. Take that off. I had to take the, there, look at that copper. That's so nice. You got, everybody knows it, I think. For those who don't, you got copper. See the little bits of copper on the sides there? Then these two pieces holding it, that's extruded aluminum, then you got irony aluminum and shred. So everything's got money in it. Instead of just throwing it in your motor bucket, if you feel you have the time to do it, take it apart, take it apart. Okay, I do believe there's another microwave motor under there. Just the one screw? That's it? No. There's gotta be more. Yeah, there it is. It's usually not right beside the other one. Okay, wire. Oh, there's another one. Right there. That's the one I missed. Like I said, there's usually another one. There we go. Oh, there's no motor under you. What's with all the wiring? Okay, who's holding you? Oh, there's one screw under there. Not for long. Get all that wiring out. Oh, there's a light bulb under there too. Get all that wire out. Ah, we're hooked to this little guy. And the plug. That's what it is. This guy here. Should only be two wires attached to you. There. Voila! You have been set free. Okay. Now I have some screws here. I can put it back together. That way you can. Okay. Why didn't you? Oh, I'm missing the steel part. That's why. Oh well. I got the one in. That's what counts. Okay. Transformer is put in that way. Get the magnetron out. Oop. Where's reverse? And never take one of these apart if they've just been plugged in unless you've de-zapped that guy. Just a heads up. This guy here is what handles gives the punch. That capacitor. See, these things have all been unplugged for over a week, so it doesn't hold the charge, but if you've had it plugged in today and then you decided to take it apart, and you really don't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to stand this on the floor. Now I can see what I'm doing better. Little light on the subject. Hopefully the angle is good for you. You think this is a waste of time, but my time is my money, and doing this is my money. There we go. It's all worth the money. Now, what do you think? You think this transformer is copper? We gotta get the screws out of it. So I guess I should have had you off still. So I have a little toy here. It was given to me. It is a pretty handy little toy. I don't know if it works on an impact gun. It's supposed to. I think half of these things that they say for impact guns are not for impact guns, because that's a heavy one. Okay, I got you yet. Hello. Gonna stand on my head in a sec. That's all that's holding that in. Oh, no, I missed the screw. There we go. There we go. There, circuit board. Okay. Well, this one was a lower grade model, because normally under this black thing there's another fan. But the one fan did everything, I guess. So there, didn't take long, did it? Take you off. There, you go in the motor bucket. Okay! Just got informed my doggy was outside. Hopefully it didn't yell in your ear. Hi! Hi! You come in here to finish your bone? It's right there. Hey, that's the one you've been eating. Okay. Are we copper? If this big fat one's copper, then the whole thing is copper. That's aluminum. Now we gotta find out about the little guy, because if it's half and half, I take them apart no matter what. Just because they weigh a lot, I don't think it is. Nope. Yep, it is. Just had to scratch a little extra off there. Look at that, eh? Copper right there. These are generally copper, but you know the whole thing's copper when that guy is. But they gave him a little scratch there. He's not, but we're going to take him apart. I'll show you how I do that. Look out! If you got headphones on, plug your ears. 1 3-inch chisel. 1 sledge. Yeah, that's 3 hits. 4th one should go through and open it up. Yeah, see that? Look out! Let's break it off. I have to get another pail. This guy can go over here. Everybody does it a different way. That's fine. I do it this way. The wires are holding the wires are holding it. See, that got it loosened up. They're coming out on a slant for some reason. Here's the one. Yeah, that's definitely aluminum. Here's the steel. There. Yeah, that's definitely copper. You can feel the weight. bits of steel that fell on the floor. There's another one. 3 of them. It had 3? No. So, come on. So this one's definite copper. And I guess I better answer it. Somebody's been chirping at me for a while. Little piece of insulated wire. Now I always try to clean these up a little bit, as much as you can. Sometimes you can't do much to it. I try to get as much off as I possibly can. But it's the only way to clean these really up is cook them. Throw them in the wood stove and cook them, but I'm not going to do that. So, like I said, I do it as much as I can. Alright. Get so much varnish on here. It's crazy. And I'll do the same with the aluminum one. Try to clean it up. This shows that I've tried. Nice and heavy. Boom. And this guy, ooh, what a weight difference. Trim it off. There's the other end. Okay. This one's not as isn't varnished as bad. There we go. Clean. Ah, look at you, eh? Wanna go outside? I know. Daddy not paying attention to you. And you pee on the floor. I think she does that just for spite. It's not like she had a full bladder. Just let me out and pee on your floor. And away she goes. Peeing on your floor. What a dog. Well, it's a good thing she's a girl, because if she was a boy, she'd be lifting and peeing on everything. So, but anyways, that's the microwave. There's the transformer. The only thing I didn't do is the magnetron or the blower motor. These guys here. They got a little bit of grease on them, so you just gotta keep an eye so they don't get too dirty from these things, because they have done their job. Got screws dropping everywhere. I think my battery's dying already. It don't last very long anymore. More plastic for the bucket. That's right, timber. Take these guys off. They have a little clip on the inside. That's how you get that clip off. did that. There you go. There you go. Now if you get a little too much grease on your hands, that's why my floor behind me is never super clean by the wood stove. Oh, you stick in there with the steel on it. So there you have one little motor. Yeah, my drill's dying. That's on high. It's not very good. Come on. Clean cast. Copper motor. Cut the wires off. Wire in a wire bucket. Nice and coppery. Due for a rainy day. And yes, my buckets are adding up. Clean cast, iron and aluminum. Because it's got aluminum and iron. And in the cast bucket. And that's how that works. Yeah, my nose is running a little bit. Okay. So hopefully you've seen most of that. And yeah. We're done. Done. Just clean up all this mess here. I need another shred bucket. I think I have some. Duck for the wire. You got a camera on your head. Yeah, there's another shred bucket. Looks dirty enough to be a shred bucket. Yeah, I have to take some out of that one. And all it's going to do is flip on me. There we go. Perfect. But yeah, you get a little grease or whatever on your hands. See, there's a lot of dust around here. It helps absorb the grease. And now your gloves are not greasy. So, well, I hope you've seen that. Hope you like it. And we'll talk to you later. Like, subscribe, and share or not. Have an awesome day.